Our next speaker is Teresa Minero. With a background in computer science, Teresa Minero is founder and CEO of LifeBee. LifeBee is a consulting and digital boutique firm focused on the life sciences industrial sector. Teresa has over 35 years of experience in managing international consulting and digital innovation projects for production, logistics, quality, regulatory, and R&D, and is managing startups and business divisions for international consulting groups. She has spent more than 30 years in life sciences. For ISPE, she is currently part of the International Board of Directors and part of the Foundation Board of Directors. She's also involved in the steering committee of Pharma 4.0, acting chair of the SCOPE, the supply chain COP, and also the chair of the working group on primary container traceability, a very, very important component of what we do. She's also participating in many global committees and is currently an author of the nearly complete Pharma 4.0 baseline guide, which is expected to be issued just next week. She's been a lecturer and chairperson for several international conferences and author of articles in local and international magazines highlighting the importance and dedication towards digitization, life sciences, and Pharma 4.0. Please join me in welcoming Teresa Minero to the podium.
Buongiorno, good morning, buenos dias. So I know that I'm your obstacle to the coffee. So I know we are late, so I will do my best to be quick, but a lot of you know because I'm passionate about digital 4.0. Some of you knows me because I'm in the board, but I'm here today for a bit different topic, very quickly to talk to you about the foundation. And you should ask yourself, why a foundation and why within ISPE? Well, the foundation is the pure philanthropic arm to support and develop the future workforce of our industry. So it's all about donating and giving back what we are able to collect. So I'm sure you all agree that how much is important to create the workforce of the future in a world where shortage of adequate resources is making all of us struggling. We heard about drug shortages, and drug shortages is also because a lot of time our companies are not able to hire the right people, the competent people. So that we are all struggling with that, and we struggle to supply transformational medicine to patients worldwide. But let's start from the mission. You see, fueling global health equity. I like the word equity. When we were discussing about the mission of the foundation, I like the word equity because equity, you know, is talking about fairness, it's talking about justice. Because equity means recognizing that we all do not start from the same place. And we must acknowledge and we must adjust these imbalances. And then the mission is about fostering access to knowledge. We are here within ISPE. I'm very proud to be ISPE since 30 years ago. So I can tell you, ISPE is all about sharing knowledge. But within the foundation, what we really would like to do, thanks to your donation, is to nurture diverse talents. As we said, we need talents, but we need diverse talents. And diverse means not only gender diversity, it means cultural diversity, it means geographical diversity. It means also junior and senior. I'm on the senior side, and I really like when I'm able to work with this young professional, this student. We had yesterday the orientation, as Thomas was saying, and I like to see their smile. I remember when I was like them, and I had no opportunity to come and to be in a so great networking opportunity. So I promise you to be quick. I can talk for a long while. But 4 philanthropic pillars. I don't want to go too much in deep with that. We want a coffee, but just to say that we work on knowledge without border. What does it mean? An example, this year, we have been able to support the translation of a guideline for Brazil. Scholarship and grants. It's all about students having the opportunity to participate to this kind of conferences. Workforce diversity. I'm sure you will join us Tuesday morning. We will have a Women in Pharma talk, and we will talk about agility in leadership. And this is something we need, we definitely, desperately need in our industry. By the way, in diversity, there is also an internship program. I have participated to select for some of our companies internship. It has been a great experience. Talk, by the way, to your human resources, what ISPE can do for you to get the right talent. And then greatest needs. Greatest needs, it's about allowing us, the foundation, to grow and to grow the donor pool. So that's why I'm here today, to take and to make you waiting for the coffee. Just few examples. We were able in 2023, so this year, to have 180 plus student and emerging leader in our conferences. You can see a quote from one of them. In this conference, as Thomas said, we have more than 10 student and emerging leader participating for free. This is Amsterdam. In Amsterdam, we had 50 student and emerging leader. This was done in collaboration with ISPE, because to be honest, ISPE Foundation need more donation to be able to do all these kind of things alone. But it was great. I was the judge of the hackathon. I can tell you, so many smart brain, so many nice smile. We need that passionate and knowledgeable people for the future of our industry. So the last, join us in supporting the foundation. Before leaving you to the coffee, I would like to share with you something happened in Las Vegas. We were at the president reception that Tom Martin is organizing in our annual conferences, and there was the president, the John Deep Ganguly. Do you know Jody Ganguly? He's the senior vice president of Gilead. They are one of the great donor of ISPE Foundation. And he shared with us in a talk that after graduation, he decided to join and stay in the life science industry thanks to a participation of an ISPE conference. So, you know what? Can you imagine if Joydeep Ganguly had gone to work in aerospace or whatever other industry? We would have lost a game changer, for sure. So think about what we can do, donating something in order to allow students to come to our conferences. So to conclude, among all the students around the globe, for sure, the most in emerging economies, there are the ones that will find the final cure for cancer, the final cure for rare diseases, dementia, and so on. But let's put it this way. If you are still in doubt to donate, think about the fact that among them, there are the ones that will probably join ISPE. They will build the plants. They will make the drugs. We will all need when we are grandfather and grandmother, if not before, because we are lucky. So do not leave the conference without donating to the foundation. Please consider making only a little donation from your personal point of view, or share this message with your boss, your HR, your marketing. Donate. Even the value of a beer, of a tapas is fine. Means something for the student and young professional, especially if they are coming from disadvantaged families, disadvantaged territories. They are the one that has the potential to improve our life. the life of us and the life of our days. So contact Tori. She's the director of the foundation. She will be around if you want to have more detail. We don't have time. Have a great conference and now a great coffee. Thank you so much.